In this video, I will be solving the without to problem of the string1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement. Given a string, if a length 2 substrings appears at both its beginning and end, return a string without the substring at the beginning. So hello he yields double L O he. The strings may overlap with itself, so hi yields an empty string. Otherwise, return the original string unchanged. So in the without to method, we will be given a string str and we need to check whether a length 2 substring appears at both its beginning and the end. So like if str is hello he, here we can see the substring he, or basically the first two characters and the last two characters coincide. If such is the case, then we need to remove the common substring from the front and return the resulting or left string, which in this case will be, if I remove he, in this case it will be double L O H E. If we see hello hi, these two characters and these two characters do not match, hence we return the string unchanged. But if we see str as high, so here the first two characters are also high and the last two characters are also high. So if we remove the first two characters from str, we will be left with an empty string, which is the result. So now think for a moment, in which case we can go ahead and actually check this condition that the first two characters and last two characters match or are equal. This condition can be safely only checked when we are having a string having at least length of 2 characters. So if we get a string whose length is less than 2 characters, something like a or an empty string also, in this case we cannot establish or check for this condition that the first two characters and last two characters match. So whenever is this case, we always need to return the string unchanged only. Else, if we come inside this else block, we are sure about one thing, that the length will be at least 2 characters of the given string. Now how do we proceed? So whatever is the length or whatever is the string here, we need to extract the first two characters and the last two characters and check whether they match. So we can write a boolean condition for that, something like first two and last two chars match. And how do we check it? So first two characters are nothing but str dot substring from 0 till 2, and we check whether it is equal to the last two characters, which can be extracted by using str dot substring length minus 2. So suppose we are having str as hello hi. Let me write it here, hello hi, and these are the indexes 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many length? 7. Okay, yes. So the first two characters will be the substring starting from 0 and going till 2, and the last two characters can be extracted by using str dot substring len minus 2. Length is 7, len minus 2 will give us 5, and if we start from 5 and go till last, we will be getting 5. So in this case it will be true for this string. And now we can write return if this condition is true. Then we need to remove the first two characters. How can we extract this string from the given string? So it's quite simple. If we start our substring from 2, we will be getting our result. So we write str dot substring from 2, and if this is not the case, okay, so for this string actually it will be false since he and hi do not match. So if this is not the case, we are supposed to return the string bat only, which will be str. But if the string was something like this, in such a case, this will be returned. So this is the entire logic. Now let's add the code. Yeah, copy this and add it here and format the file little bit. Now let's run the test cases and verify. All of the test cases are passing. Now let me submit this code on the platform and push the code on GitHub. And finally verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.